Bye-bye, Penglings.
One more time.
Bye-bye, Penglings.
Yeah, I think the...
You have a bun. Oh, you're scared.
Wait. I'm gonna take that off. Cause you're... Yeah, there we go.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. That's not. She's going to our place later.
I wanna go to your place. Oh, can you help me with this one then?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
2, 3, go.
Wow. Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Target locked.
No.
Okay. Okay.
What the
Uh-huh.
heck was that?
Uh-huh.
I thought if I crouch down, di niya ako ma-hit.
Let's do...
This take me. Wait, where are you? This take me with the rubber ducky.
Oh no!
Huh?
Oh no! It's this hallway again. Oh! There's a lot of items here.
What?
Here. Here.
Oh. Here.
There's a big vase up there.
Oh.
Can I? The clown, yeah. You're not scared of clowns, di ba, Lin?
I'm not scared of them. Oh.
I need help for this.
Yeah.
Apa dia? Gagi. Yeah, I'm here. Okay ra unta tulin kung natay gun.
Yeah. Naupihan bitaw ko ninyo katong na may gun.
Okay.
What the heck was that?
That was a monster. Okay.
Tina-jump scare today ang attack ko, but I did not like that at all.
Okay. It went back.
Dapat lang.
Went back. Oh
Hi.
my gosh! Wait, see here. Run, Lin, run.
I can't run! Oh, it's chasing you!
Is there something big there, Lin? Need help? Wala na? Wala na? Kasi na-push to talk na ni Mulin. Let's go. May nag-doorbell. Wait lang. I'm gonna run.
Hello.
Hi, hi! Nice!
There. Kaya ba kagano?
Nga no?
I just had to press B to unmute myself.
Oh!
Kaya na-mute din akong self like in game.
Oh no, I hate this area. Wala ni. Oh, Lin. Naa siya, Lin. Ang hate ni Baba. Ang hate na monster ni Baba.
Oh, I wanna see where?
I don't know where it is. It's coming
So,
for me.
how-
Yeah. Ay, okay. That one, Lin. That one at behind.
Yeah. God. Go Kan. Go Kan. Kana.
Oh, butang.
Kana. Go. On, just bite.
No. It's... Oh, shit! Kumanyakisa ka? Kumanyakisa ka, ha? You freaking maniac! Yeah, someone took me and that's freaking maniac.
Oy, sa...
Nabuang jud ni siya, do! Nabuang jud ni siya! Ano ni siya, oy? Nabuang jud siya. Oh! Ano ni siya? Uy, nabuang dyan siya. Wait lang. Ano ka, girl?
Away!
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's the man. It's the pervert. That's the pervert.
Why?
Daralin. Ang kuan. Ang stuff.
Wow!
This one. This is our stuff.
Nice.
You want to be on the bottom, like the one who will carry at the bottom? No.
Do I want to be the bottom? Oh, what? Alright! Oh my god. That?
Yeah.
I feel molested. I feel attacked. Oh my god.
Ah!
I swear, stop that. No. Oh my gosh.
Ouch.
Awat is yan ako ibutang dito. Oh my god, nasa to. Stop taking my friend!
Lin, kuha ang gun, Lin. Na dito, Lin. Nani mong gunlin?
Yeah, nada.
Okay. Oh, no.
Take! Oh, shit!
Oh. Nothing
That
else?
was such a nice save. Nice one.
Yo, wala ko ato eh.
Oh, that would look good in the replay.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Take!
oh, shit.
Go.
Press
Go.
E.
Wow, the same one as Baba! Why do you get the nice ones?
Wait, what did I... What's that to?
It was an left arm, ano.
Left.
Oh my gosh! I got the pair! I got the freaking pair of my socks! Tadang! I get the freaking pair of
Wait.
my socks.
Nice arm left. Oh, okay. Where? Wait up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, why do I hear something?
Oh no, Lin!
Oh.
Hi.
Let it go! Let it go!
Oh. No!
Lin, ibutang digi ang kuan. Put your arms here. Diha. Put it there. Diha lang. Not too close ah.
Oh! Huh? Oh, okay.
We're too close.
Oh. Good. Look.
Oh, yes! Let's put that there.
Sige.
Okay, I'm going down. Wait lang, Lin. Wait lang ha. Put it down.
Down.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, just put it down here. Okay.
Oh. Okay, nice.
Kwarto. Push it in. Oh, no. There's another one.
Ito, we still have the computer. It's fine.
Gagi, nahulog atong kwarta.
See, we have that.
Lang. Kilin. Is that enough? Let's restart.
What?
Let's restart.
What happened?
It got destroyed.
Oh no.
Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye-bye. That was so intense. Finally, na nako'y cosmetic.
Good.